Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. This will be Geofatboy's Vacayshave number 4. Got a couple days beard growth. We are in Samos, Greece. I will use the Mercure Progress razor. One of my previous shaves I used it, and I used, I believe, a Kai blade. And when you don't rinse out your razor real well, plus the force from the faucet here is not that strong, and you leave the blade in, here's what it looks like. Take a look. You can see all that gunk in there. I didn't remove the blade. I just left it in the razor, and the stream of water from this faucet is not that strong, so it didn't rinse all the gook, shaving cream, beard residue, etc. from the blade. That's what it looks like. Not too appealing. So it's good to rinse your razor thoroughly after every shave. I'm going to toss this blade. Again, I said it's a Kai. You can see there's no markings on it. That's the Kai blade. I'll replace it with, for today's shave, an Astra Superior Platinum, the green package. And here's the wrapper. And here is the blade, Astra Superior Platinum. So drop that right over the post and the 2 pins, like so. Screw it right back down. A little gook in the razor. Let's get rid of that. It doesn't want to come out. It's still in there, so I'm just going to take this little nail file, dig it out that way. There you go. You got to get rid of that gook. I don't want that going onto my beard. So I'll clean out both sides like that. I just happen to have my nail file handy. For some reason, my nails have been growing like crazy since we've been here. The sunshine, the exercise, swimming, a lot of swimming. Maybe you can see how long they are. They were very short before I got here. In just a few days, they've grown very quickly. So I put my nail clipper in the file next to the sink to remind myself, cut your nails when you're done shaving. All right, I've got this cleaned up. And here's the Astra blade. I'm gonna drop it right back down in. Let's see, do we have it the proper way? Yes, the line matches with the notch. That's how you want it on the Progress. I'm tightening it all the way down, lock it down. This beard growth, I think I'm gonna go with a 3, 4. I'm gonna start with a 4. I'll go 4, 2, 1 for today's shave. The beard's not super thick or heavy, so that's what we'll do. Got the Shave Nation Arco shave stick and the travel tube. Let's remove the cap on that. And I'll use the Simpsons case brush, which is in the travel case right here. It's got holes in the lid so that the water can drain out. Warm up the soap under the hot water. Warm up the face under the hot water. All right. The water is not as hot as I'd like, but it's okay. Kind of like doing it this way, where you just take the brush, load the tips this way, a little bit to the face. Same with the other side. Just loading it up. And generating lather directly to the face. This is called face lathering. If you had a bowl and generated your lather in the bowl, that's called bowl lathering. Good size brush, not too large, not too small. The Simpsons case. This is a Best Badger. A little bit of hot water. It's good size, easy to maneuver. I think somebody said in a previous video that I tend to miss the left side of my neck when applying the shaving cream. So I'm paying attention to thoroughly cover both sides. Set the brush down, swipe the lips, swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns, keep them even. All right, here we go. Mercure Progress razor set on 4. Start on the right side, under the hot water. Cut the sideburn. Work your way down. Four is a good number for this beard. Flip over. Easily removing several days beard growth. Right down the neckline. Rinse. It's rinsing out nicely. Seems to be rinsing out better than it did before. Left side, cut the sideburn. Work your way down. The lighting is better on the right side than it is on the left side. I've got a big light here, nothing on the other side. Such is hotel life, right? Clean the cleft. You just want to create a flat surface when you shave. The blade is flat. If the surface is flat, you'll get a better shave. All right, rinse off. Lots of stubble in the sink. Okay, mustache area, just scoop right under the nose. Excellent, rinse that. Quick face rinse, grab your brush. Should have sufficient lather for another pass. If not, you could just grab the stick, reload. Painting, swirling, dabbing. Figure 8. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. Now I'm going to turn it down to a 2. From 4 to 2, right there. 2 on the Richter scale. Across the grain. Here we go, nice and easy. Beautiful. Backhand it. In Samos, the weather's been really hot. It's been in the 90s this week. We go to a different beach just about every day. My 2 favorite beaches so far, Lividaki Beach and Siliamos. Those are my 2 faves thus far. I love snorkeling, swimming. Put me in the water, I'll be there all day. Across the mustache. Maybe I'll add in a couple pictures, images of the beaches as well. Maybe some scenery in the video. All right, very nice. Rinse. Quick face rinse. And let's just hit the cheeks. Now we're going to turn it down to a 1, down as low as it will go. On the 1 setting, 1. Against the grain, skim pass. Get those cheeks super smooth. Other side. Baby smooth. Rinse. Now a cold water rinse to the face and then rinse out your razor thoroughly. Pat the face dry. Just leaving it slightly damp. Then you can apply your favorite aftershave, whatever that may be. This is a balm. Gives me some protection from the sun throughout the day. You can use a splash or a balm to give you some protection throughout the day, or both. That is it. Vacayshave number 4 is in the book, or in the can, as they say in filmmaking. The Progress razor with an Astra blade, the Simpsons case shaving brush, comes with its own travel case, and the Shave Nation Arco stick. Arco soap comes from Turkey, which, if you're a good swimmer, you could swim from Samos to Turkey. It looks like an uninhabited area where you could swim to, but you can get from Samos to Turkey. You might find yourself in a world of trouble once you get there, but you could do it. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. We'll have some links there. You can just click on those, take you directly to the item if you want to pick it up. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 700 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. You might ask, what do you do with your shaving tools when you're done shaving? Well, as I showed you earlier, you want to make sure that you rinse your razor thoroughly. Remove the cap, remove the blade, rinse everything. You can give it a scrubbing with a toothbrush. Make sure everything is clean. Hide your blade up out of sight so children can't get to it. You're good to go till your next shave. The brush, rinse it under the water thoroughly. Remove all the soap, shaving cream residue from it. And then just take your towel like this. Give it a few swipes across the palm of your hand like this. And that'll dry the tips. And then leave it in free air to dry so that knot stays nice and round like that and thick. You don't want it to get bent over to one side or anything like that. So free air, not in a drawer, not in a cabinet, just let it sit. The best way is like this so that any moisture drips out and not into the knot, which would degrade the integrity of the glue that's in there and might loosen up your knot, and one day it might fall out. So the best way is in a stand like this. At the very least, lay it on its side so it could drain out that way. When it's nearly dry, you can drop it back in the travel container and it will get some air through the holes that are in the cap and dry even further. if you're in a hurry. If you can't leave it overnight, drop it in the tube. The holes in the cap will still allow it to get some air so it doesn't get moldy or anything. The soap, rinse it under the water, upside down like that. Just get the residue off of it, recap it, you're good to go. That's it. Right now, I'm gonna go have some breakfast and off to another beach. We'll see you next time.